In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to prepare bitumen, pitch, and asphalt samples for softening point determination. Heat up the sample in a temperature-resistant recipient to a temperature above the expected softening point. Place the metal cups in the base plate of the sample preparation tool and place the disc on top. Once the sample is melted, pour it into the metal cups with the help of a metal or glass rod to avoid the formation of bubbles. The cups should be filled to the top plus 1 to 2 mm above the rim. Allow the sample to cool down for a bit, then remove the excess sample above the top with a hot knife or spatula. Remove the cup from the base, place the steel ball on top of it, close it with the lid, and assemble it into the sample carrier. Now, the sample is ready to be analyzed using an automatic dropping and softening point instrument by METTLER Toledo.